In a prison cell on the Thai-Myanmar border, police are holding their latest suspect in the battle against drugs. He's just 14 years old. We're protecting his identity because he is a minor. He says he didn't know that when he handed over 20 methamphetamine pills to a buyer, the buyer was actually a police informant. The lure of easy money outweighed any risk of arrest.
When I sold the drugs, I was worried that the police might arrest me, but I did it anyway for the money. If I get out of here, I will go to help my parents working.
He is likely to escape a heavy sentence because he's a juvenile. It's precisely the reason more and more youngsters are being exploited by the drug gangs.
The traffickers like the quick money, and the demand in the Thai market is increasing. The dealers are willing to take risks for profit.
Cross-border trafficking of drugs from Myanmar has long been a problem for Thailand. Increased border security and a brutal war on drugs sent the traffickers into hiding, only briefly. A new UN report shows the use of synthetic drugs, while stabilising in most developed countries, is actually worsening in Southeast Asia. Experts say the drugs have found a new market among young, affluent Thais.
People who use ice or methamphetamine crystal is the people who have more money to buy drugs because it's more expensive than methamphetamine tablet.
This is the drug squad's latest haul. At a laboratory outside of Bangkok, technicians sift through some 200,000 pills known locally as yaba, or the crazy drug. The street value is around $1.2 million. Despite this recent bust, the UN suggests Thailand is actually seeing a decrease in tablet versions of methamphetamine and an increase in the crystallized form, like ice or crystal meth. Most of the drugs confiscated in Thailand end up here. This is ice, a highly potent form of methamphetamines. It's being tested and weighed and could potentially end up as evidence should this case proceed to trial. But it's a long and difficult process catching those at the top of the chain. For this teenager, he's the unfortunate intermediary in a much bigger battle that Thailand is desperately trying to win. Selina, Al Jazeera, Bangkok.